So welcome to another Machine Monday. Following on from our previous Machine Mondays, today we're going to talk to Etienne, who's one of our manual milling machine operators. However, Etienne has got more than 20 years of experience in machine shops, from CNC machines to manual milling machines. You've been at Genomark for 6 years now.
This is basically the where you handle your machines for the axis, different axes.
Yep.
So this is basically the Z that comes up and down, and then you get your horizontal axis here as the X.
Yep.
So you basically use these controls over here to move left and right, actually negative and positive, which will show you here on this dial. So you actually use your tooling that you're going to use to start blocking up. Blocking up basically means you take a piece of material and you place it on top of into your vise, and you basically use parallels to put your job on top. You tighten it. You basically use your equipment that you have, like maybe a mallet. So then you can start putting in your tooling, whichever tooling you're gonna use. Maybe draw a hole. So you're gonna first start from the basics by blocking up. Maybe this block needs to be 20 by 12 by 30 long. So you basically work according to your drawing, squaring it up, finding your centers, putting in the holes by using your edge finder. I basically like to put my tooling very close to me. I basically use my edge finder. That's to get the center of a job, of a workpiece. And I basically use my drill shot when I put it into my holder, and then pick it up and then start drilling, put in my necessary drills and stuff.
You obviously would set the positions X, Y, and Z.
Yes.
How deep a cut is, for example, and then you'd let it run, right?
Let it run. I basically do it manually. It's not like the CNC which you program beforehand. And then after you've loaded all your tooling, you let it go. You must just stand by and watch for breakages and be very alert also. Unfortunately, with these machines, you can't take big cuts. The maximum cut I can take here is 2 mil.
2 mil. Oh, that's still quite thick,
depending on the material, whether maybe it's aluminium or brass or so. But if it's mild steel and maybe stainless steel, I can go maybe 0.5 for the most and so on.
Okay, Etienne, thank you.
Thank you, Anish.
I learned a lot today.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
Good luck, man.